Happy holidays, munchies! Welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alicia and I'm so glad you're here either way. I love Christmas cookies, and today I am making a cookie I have never made on the channel before, Snowball cookies, a classic butter and nut cookie that melts in your mouth. My preference is to use a combo of pistachios and pecans, but a lot of people also use walnuts, so you do you. I find it easiest to chop them up in the food processor. Then combine flour and those chopped nuts and set that mixture aside. In a separate bowl, beat together salted butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract with a hand mixer. Once integrated, slowly beat in your flour and nuts mixture until a dough forms. If you use unsalted butter, be sure to add a pinch of salt. Yum! I really love baking cookies over the holidays. I spent too many years having rules about what I could and couldn't enjoy over the holidays, and I feel so grateful to have been on my healing journey in my relationship with food so that I can really enjoy what I love without guilt or shame. I find it actually brings me more present to the experience of baking and eating them too. I notice how the dough feels in my hands when I roll them, and the texture and the smell and all the sensations. I watch them change appearance, color, and shape before and after baking. And actually, unlike other cookies, these don't change too much. They should start to brown just a tiny bit on the bottom, but the top should still be pretty light. Taste-wise, it's better to undercook them than overcook them. Plus, you're gonna roll them in powdered sugar while they're still warm. Another fun, mindful moment for me. The warm cookies and the powdery sugar, don't be afraid to get in there and make sure that they are generously coated. They are snowball cookies after all. Then allow them to cool completely on a wire baking rack and enjoy. Wow. These are so cute and the perfect holiday treat. Buttery, nutty, melt in your mouth goodness with a fun snowball look for festive flair. What is your favorite holiday cookie? How do you give yourself permission to enjoy the foods that you love this time of year and always? Share what you have learned on your journey in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you will give these snowball cookies a try. The recipe is linked in the description, and there are tons of other holiday cookie recipes on mindovermunch.com too. Happy holidays to you and your family. I will see you next time, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.